We welcome you to the Abani State. Come with us as we go through the culture, customs, and traditions of the Mole Abani Baraka. They are usually found in the upper east and northeast part of Ghana. The Mole Dabani are into three states. They are the Mapusi, the Nanumba, and the Dagumba. All these three states of the Mole Dabani came from one ancestor, namely Toazi, meaning the Red Hunter. Tradition of their origin is preserved in drum music. These three states of the Mole affected first half of the. According to the oral history, the Mole Dabani came from a place part of Lake Chad and migrated to the Hausa state of Nigeria and through Mali before reaching the present home in Ghana. The Mole Dabani, Toazi's grandson, known as Bewa, moved westward and settled at Pusiga and started building his kingdom through War of Conquer. The conquering led to the extension of the kingdom as far as Fada Igruma in the Burkina Faso, Gambaga in the south, and Sansanmango in the east. Bewa gave birth to 8 children. The ruler was the eldest among the sons. However, the eldest among the 8 children was Yantori, who was a girl, and by custom, she could not say you are a chief. It is also one to the left or right to show you are friends with everyone and belongs to everyone. Then last but not the least, please, if you are not spiritually strong, never allow the tail in front of you because you have juju and cannot be challenged. But
Ye papa. Awusa enisa ekwekyire. Ekwekyire na wukɔ pedem na wukɔhyia ahemfo a wanya amane yɛbɛbɔ wo ka. Mpata yate aseɛ. Wohyɛ nso na ɔnom sɛ hwii ne wo sɛdeɛ hwii ne me mu a mede gyina ha me mu duro pa nsuo bɛnko nko a sɛ no bi na ɛwɔ wo mu di a mesrɛ wohyɛ a mɛmfa mba w'anim. Wode ba w'anim a wofrɛfrɛ ntɔkwa ama waa wo.
One for Esa Asaya to be said, so could I people. We are the ones.
Meda person.
Yo, yedabase.
Through Nigeria and finally settled in Ghana. Some of us settled in Tema, Nunga, Teshi, La, Osu, and is a part of Accra and its environment. Okay, that's interesting. So can you tell me why you are all wearing white? Yes, during our migration from Israel to settle in Ghana, we were starving through our journey. Then we came across maize, which made us very happy and victorious over hunger. Hence, these dresses symbolize victory. Thank you. Okay, I have some items with me. Can you mention it in the Ghana language? Kopo, pencil, Nimacho, Awale, cheese, Okna, Fe. Thank you. So can you say the days of the week in that language? Yes. Monday, June, Tuesday, Wednesday, yeah. Monday, June, Tuesday, June, Wednesday, Thursday, so
Friday so hard, Saturday hot, Sunday hot. Thank you.
We are here to say the greetings in the Ghana language. Good morning, Ojeku. Good afternoon, Minaoko. Good evening, Oshie. Wamangana afi enye. Wamangana afi nyamai ekakepao. How old is Ghana? Ghana is 67 years old. Nobody here in Yellow Solomon. Osofo. Who is the leader in the church? Pastor. Yei Waladon. Which month are we in? We are in the month of March. May Yomli Waya. Waya Otokikli Nomi. We are here to say the numerals in the Ghana language. Eko mewa, eno two, ete three, ete four, eno five, ete six, awo seven, ano eight. Lehuna, number 10. Lehuna, number 10. Lehuna. I'm here to say some of the attributes of God in the Ghana language. Numoninena nunchumo, the creations of God. Atana nimo, my Father, my God. Manche mia manche, King of kings. Numoni bonofia, God the Creator. Twenjola numo, Twenjola manche. Prince of Peace, Hulu, Sun, Nyonchewe, Clouds, Shade, Trees, Ulami, Stars, Oyuraladon. Wajikame Apile, we are the dance people. Thank you. Achomi ni ashite, achomi ni kole, achomi pani, achomi ni ama, achomi na komile, achomi na toshi, achomi na odako, achomi na koshi.
Achomi ni papo. Achomi na adele. Achomi na ayoko. Achomi na asoko. Yefere achomi na okaile manye. Achomi na dede.
Yelati.
Hey, Obiuma Kumada Pedane, Obiuma Kumada Pedane, Osile, 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 Chi. That bell? These are the three warlords that led the Fantis. A long time ago, the Fantis, after the settlement of the island, migrated under the leadership of these three warlords. Obiman Kuma, warlord of the sea, who defended his people against enemies from the sea. Warlord of the air, defended his people against enemies in the air. Also, warlord of the land, who protected his people against the enemies on the land. Now, the party settled at Fama, a few kilometers south.
They invaded the people of Eti, who were residents of Paman, and captured their capital, called Adu.
And I also read Fanti, the other home as well.